Hi, in this video we're going to show you how you can use Azon Trackerpro with Revseller. Revseller is another Chrome extension popular among Amazon sellers who like to use Revseller to do a lot of the number crunching and data analysis at the time of sourcing products. So I'm going to go ahead and open up an Amazon sheet as well as a Google spreadsheet right here. So this is our Google spreadsheet that we're going to capture the data. I've already added a few rows of data in here, and I'm going to be adding the Google spreadsheet to the Azon Trackerpro extension in the backend. So we're just going to go ahead and grab the information and connect the sheet right here. And once done, we can go ahead and close the settings tab. And now we're going to go ahead and open up an Amazon product page. I already have one right here, so I'm just going to refresh it. So on the Amazon product page, we can see we have our Azon Trackerpro right here that displays some of the Amazon fields that have been set up in the Google sheet and connected to the extension. Those are the columns that are going to be displayed in here. Additionally, we have Revseller extension here that's already displaying the buy box price and some other information. Now you as the Amazon seller can go ahead and add perhaps your buy cost. So we're going to just look at the buy cost right here is $13.99. And this provides us with the net profit ROI margin. Now if you want to capture some of this information onto your Google spreadsheet, you could do so. You first have to set up your spreadsheet to be having those columns, and then once you're done, once you're on this particular page right here, we're going to go ahead and open up the Azon Trackerpro's expanded row fields. So we're just going to click on this button right here to open up the net profit ROI and other columns. Now if you don't want to see this, you just click back on this to minimize it, but we're going to open that up so that way we can drag and drop some of the additional information displayed to us by Revseller. So I'm just going to grab the net profit right here, drop that in here. We got the ROI. Now if you don't want to drag and drop, you can even right click, choose Azon Trackerpro, update cell, and then you'll see an option to choose ROI or perhaps the profit or whichever column that you want to send the information over to. In this case, I'm going to choose ROI, and you'll see right here it just displayed into the ROI box. If there's any other information you want to capture, you can add that in here as well. For example, I might want to add the current number of sellers. I'm just going to highlight this. Azon Trackerpro update cell, or I can just drag and drop this into the appropriate field. Let's go ahead and do that, current sellers. Okay, and then when we're all done, we're just going to click on this save button, and that saves all the information from inside Azon Trackerpro to our connected Google spreadsheet. And you can see that is on row number 6. That's showing some of the data. Now we've only captured the Amazon side of data. We're also going to capture the source page. So I'm going to go click on refresh this page because it's been open for a couple of minutes now. And now you can click here and it's going to display the row that we just now saved. By default, it always displays the previously saved row. So we have row number 6 with some of the information on the Google sheet displayed on this page. And now we can go ahead and add any other information, like we click here to capture the source URL link. The store name, we can just drag and drop. Perhaps if it's Lego store, you can just drag and drop whichever information, or you can even type it in here. I can just type it in Lego. If it's a shoe or a product that's got variations, you can add the color, size. My store price is $13.99, so I'm just going to drop that in here, $13.99. And if you're perhaps trying to track your purchases and you want to track your quantity, you can put that in here, $5 or whatever, how many, five units I mean. Or if you have any coupon codes or discount codes, you can add that in well. And this is just a couple of data fields that you're trying to capture. Now you can customize all this inside your Google Sheet and then customize that inside the option settings of the extension. So you can add any of your additional, like perhaps you wanted a cashback or multi-pack or coupon codes, anything else you want, you can just drag and drop them in on the right hand side, activate that field, and then once you hit save and start saving the data, it'll do that for you. So once we're done saving, putting all the information we want, we just click on this save button, and that pushes the remaining information like the store price or the quantity purchase onto our Google spreadsheet. As you can see here, we put the quantity purchase as 5, we added the store price at $13.99. So that's how you can go ahead and use Azon Trackerpro to save data to your Google spreadsheet to track your inventory and your purchases. Thank you.